Some scary moments for a local family as a San Joaquin County man breaks into their home with two young girls inside, steals the family's truck, and then torches it. Tonight, the man is free after serving just 4 months in jail.
The family feels the sentence was unfair. They spoke with Jen McGraw in a story you'll see only on CBS 13.
The family wants to know, how does something like this happen? Is this just? I spoke with a local attorney who tells me sometimes the courts just simply get overwhelmed, but in this case, the suspect pled to a lesser charge.
Their comfort of living in the country shattered overnight.
We had the door deadbolted and locked, but he kicked through the deadbolt and ended up breaking our door frame. Sorry.
Lily Crummy was home alone with her older sister when a neighbor's adult son burst in.
He was banging on the door and he was yelling for us to get out of the house. And he kept banging.
It's like your worst nightmare because you can't get here fast enough when you're working far away.
A horrifying night this Acampo family can't shake.
I was scared that he was going to hurt us.
Instead, he took the keys to the family's truck and torched it.
He ended up catching the field on fire because he burned all the tires off the truck, and then he blew the engine on the diesel truck.
John Paul Marion was taken into custody. 4 months later, took a plea deal and is now free on probation.
The only thing that they ended up charging him for was just stealing our truck. They dropped all the other charges.
This was a mistake, and it doesn't seem like it's fairness.
We asked criminal law attorney Mark Reichel if the courts may have made a mistake.
There aren't that many felonies that are more serious. That should have been the one that he has to answer for. That should be the one that's on his record for life, because right now, you look at his record, he stole a vehicle.
A sentencing this family feels is unjust.
It seems like we're paying the price for everything that went on, whether it be financial, emotional, or anything. And for him, he did a couple months in jail, okay.
I was hoping he'd get at least a few years in jail. That way he could really think over what had happened.
While trying to get back to some sort of normalcy, they say they're still living in fear in a place that was once safe, a place they call home.
I spoke with the San Joaquin County District Attorney's Office, and they tell me that the man took a plea deal which negated 3 of those charges, and he was ultimately charged with the theft of an auto.